Hi, it's Alex again from Manshed Tips. I've got quite an interesting one. If you're doing tiling and you've got one tile left and you can't mess up the cut for a plug, this is what I've done. So I've got a piece of paper. So it's basically from the edge of the tile, and then I cut an opening out of paper. And now what you do is you'll put this piece of paper on the actual tile, like that. And then that tells you exactly where the cut goes. See, I've done one over here for this double plug. So now I've marked that out, and I can cut that with an angle grinder, and you know it'll be exactly in line with those two plugs. So that's quite a handy tip. Use it.